Hi, hello, this is Jenny. So today's lecture, let's see multiprocessing and multitasking, the difference between multitask and multiprocess. So first example here I given multitask. Multitask, which means we are going to do all the process by using separate processor. Okay. So for example, here I mentioned this is CPU1. CPU1 and CPU2, CPU3. The three processors we are going to execute program 1, program 2, program 3. Parallelly you are going to execute without interact or disturbing each other. So that is the main benefit of multitask. Multitask means you are going to use separate processor to do your process very quickly and effectively. Okay, so main benefit is the CPU didn't bring any latency to the user, so automatically you can execute more than 300 programs or 500 programs in your system by using of this multitask. So this is the main advantage of this multitask. And next one is multiprocessing. Multiprocessing is totally different from multitask. Here you are using only single CPU. That single CPU executes single input and output. For example, in this multiprocessing, here we are going to use primary and secondary. So primary means already I said temporarily you can store the images. Backend databases we can use this multiprocessing. And secondary memory you are going to store all the information permanently, for example pen drive and data card, everything. So this is the multiprocessing. And here you can see single processor, that is a single processor you are going to connect with that memory, and then all the programs execute simultaneously. So main benefit is here you can utilize the CPU. Okay, so CPU utilization is increased in this multiprocessing. It means you are going to use all the multiple programs on a single CPU. So that is the main advantage of this multiprocessing. In multitasking, it's dependently connected with operating system. Operating system is connected with the CPU. So in this CPU, you can execute various process. That is multitask. In best example, we can say in the statement, multi-programming means, that is multitask. You can execute all the programs on a single CPU, but it's totally different from multiprocessing. When we come to multiprocessing, it involves multiple process on a multiple CPUs. And then main advantages multiprocessing, you can see here three types. You can see three types of multiprocessing here. So first one is symmetric multiprocessing. That means you are going to execute single input and output. Single CPU you are going to use in the symmetric multiprocessing. And second one is asymmetric multiprocessing. Here you are going to use this primary memory and then secondary memory. These two memories you are going to use in this asymmetric multiprocessing. And third one is multi-level parallel processing. That means more than 300 or 500 processors you can execute at a single time. That is called multiple parallel processing. So these are the three types of multiple processing. So main focus is we are going to use all the big companies or organization or multiple work means we are using multiprocessor. And then small task we are using means in a single CPU you are using multiple processors by using of this process. So this is the major difference between multiple process and multiple task when we see in this computer. So thank you so much. Bye from Jenny. Next class we can see.